What's up, people? Good morning, whatever time you are watching this video. So, today I am getting ready because I am going to meet a certain YouTuber somewhere in Nairobi. So, guys, get ready with me as I prepare. So, guys, prepare with me, get ready with me. Guys, have you watched my video that I showed you how to make the Chinese food? Have you watched it? If not yet watched, kindly go there, watch, like, share, and subscribe. Guys, I want us to grow. If not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe. Road to 1K.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Guys, I don't think it's unmute.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up, I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the
So, guys,
chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden, I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build
so
up
it's
of my
time
thoughts
to
sitting
rain my
in an
edges.
ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts.
Guys, I have already laid my edges, so nimefunika hivi ndio ikauke. But sasa nifanye makeup. If you have not yet my full makeup, simple full makeup, go watch to my YouTube channel. So I'll start with the primer. Guys, I'm not using this my phone. I'm using the mirror.
I can hear the demons.
So guys, as you can see, I have already done my eyebrows. So it's time to do. I have done it off camera. I want to do the remaining makeup. Guys, see, I've told you I've done a video showing you on how to do a simple, fully face wrapped makeup. So go watch on my YouTube channel. See, watch till the end to see those friends of mine. A guest that I told you in the morning I'm going to meet him. Not him, her.
Okay.
So guys, today I want us to do a challenge. Before doing our challenge, let me introduce my guest to you.
Hello, my people. Hello. So today, guys, we are here on Shik's Mwangi channel, and guess what, guys? We are gonna make some fun, and I hope you like it. Kindly, if you are new to her channel, please consider to subscribe and remember to hit that notification bell so that anytime that she uploads a video, you will be the first one to get notified. Okay?
And so, guys, before we go on, can you guys go to Lenamso official, subscribe to her YouTube channel, give each and every video like, and you watch all her videos. So guys, let us get to our today's challenge. Nitamwandika nyuma chenye. So guys, it's about time. I light words here, then I turn back. She lights on my back what I have written here.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view.
Are you ready? Guys, do you see?
Sometimes I feel like all is lost,
Bring
but
that
I
pen.
know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon.
Yeah, I have seen that.
Guys, you see? Guys, wacha tufanye kengine ka mwisho. It's your turn. Shika uniandike.
Nirudie. Uko sawa?
Shika sasa. Guys, maonyesho yako.
Hawajaona, si tutaonyesha.
Guys, ameandika hivi hapa, ameandika nini?
This is what I wrote. Nimeandika hii. Ngoja nione. Nimeandika tu Mwangi peke yake. So umekosea. Umeongeza hizi. Sio hujasikia nikikuuliza kwani nimeandika hizo zote.
So guys, who won
So at least
this challenge?
Ameanguka. In fact, okay. Shida ni hiyo. So umenishinda tu na hii moja. Juu umekosea tu kidogo, at least mimi nilikosea.
Guys, and that is the end of our today's video. Try this challenge and tag our YouTube channel, Shik's Mwangi YouTube channel, and Lena Mso official YouTube channel. Go to her YouTube channel, subscribe, give this video a like, subscribe ni kwake na wakwake wakuja kwa nani? Kwa Shik's Mwangi. And guys, that is the end of our today's video.
Thank you guys for watching that amazing video. See you next time.